The Ganaraska Railway Modelers of Port Hope present the 21st Annual Model Train Show. It's the largest and oldest two-day model train show in the Northumberland region. The Port Hope Model Train Show is fun for all ages. So come on out to the Port Hope Recreation Center at 62 McCaul Street, Port Hope, Saturday, February 1st from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Sunday, February 2nd from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Adults is $5, children 6 to 12 is $2, and children 5 and under are free. For additional information, feel free to visit www.porthopetrainclub.com. We hope to see you all aboard!